Assalamu alaikum guys. Now I will showing video how to fix home button iPhone 7, 7 Plus, 8, 8 Plus after repair or broken fingerprint iPhone 7, 7 Plus, 8, 8 Plus. Home button clicking not working. How to replace the home button in a new marketplace. Only home button clicking. Look, my iPhone 8 Plus here not action home button not clicking. So if we have same problem iPhone 7, 7 Plus, 8, 8 Plus, home button not working, you can change home button and how to replace home button. It's very easy and before JC home button iPhone 7, 7 Plus, 8, 8 Plus need to connect Bluetooth or manually. This is new generation, new version iPhone home button 8, 8 Plus. Okay, I will remove now, unplug battery and LCD screen. Now I will remove home button fingerprint from screen. Okay, I have done separate remove it fingerprint home button. I'll show you what is the problem and broken my fingerprint. Look, they are looking is broken glass in fingerprint home button. That's why not working, not detecting clicking on phone. Now I will set a new fingerprint home button. It's now available in market in your local marketplace. If you want to replace home button, you can get your local market, and it's not a expensive cost, and price is now less. It's very easy and install fingerprint. Okay, I have done install it, the new fingerprint button. Now I'll check after closing the tools screw. Unplug battery, because sometimes it's fire direct on light section and damage LCD backlight on board. Be safe when you replace LCD screen or camera. Unplug battery, then put your screen and plug it battery. It's better for all iPhone replace and fixing issue. Turn it on first and looks now. Yes, done. Working home button.